the Tiger Man. King of the jungle, call me the Tiger Man. When you cross my path, you got your whole life in your hands. Well, I get up in the mountains, I call my black cat back. Get up in the morning time, yeah, I call my black cat back. My black cat comes a-running, and the hound dog sings me back. You know the night starts to vote in, and that's the time I prowl around. Night starts to vote in, that's the time I prowl around. Well, I ain't your hound dog, baby, but I'll run your black cat out of town. Run me out of town, John. Get down, John. Now they're telling on hound dog, they say he's slipping around your door. Telling on hound dog, they say he's slipping around your door. If I ever catch him there, baby, he won't slip there no more. Yeah, I'm the king of the jungle, call me the Tiger Man. King of the jungle, call me the Tiger Man. When you cross my path, you got your whole life in your hands. You got your life in your hands, buddy. Call me the Tiger Man. Yeah, king of the jungle, they call me the Tiger Man. When you cross my path, you got your whole life world in your hands. Take us home, John. Jonathan Lockyer on the hum.